Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll show you how I decorate my garden with this kind item for my house. First, you can see how I have arranged my garden without throwing away the big pot of dirt. I used it to decorate my garden by putting soil inside the coconut shell and planting trees in it. I had three types of pictures which I painted and arranged in a corner of my garden, and I also planted plants in them. I am also doing my vertical garden with a small pot of dirt. I planted these trees 2 days ago, so the trees could not grow properly. I made these flower tops out of oil bottles. They make my garden so beautiful. I made this vertical garden using 5-liter oil bottle. This side I decorate with a bottle of 7-Up. This is my rope garden which I recently started decorating. I'll show you everything one by one. If you like my video and garden, then definitely support me and subscribe my channel. So far today, everyone stay well. I will be back with the next video. Tata.